Hi guys, it's 1 p.m. I woke up really late today for some reason, and yeah, I was like just pretty tired last night. So today the plan is go to the Piha beach. It's one of the beaches in New Zealand, in Auckland, and I think it's west of Auckland or somewhere. But yeah, the plan is to go to the Piha beach. I've been in New Zealand for 3 years now, and I've never been to Piha beach. It has like black sand, like the sand is black color, which is like pretty interesting. And the Piha beach also has like very high tides and stuff. It's great for surfing and all. Yeah, so the view is pretty good from there. So we are gonna go Piha beach today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Also, I'm just thinking what to wear because yeah, spring is here, but it gets quite windy in around Piha beach, and still you it's cold in the evening. So I'm just trying to take some jacket or like jumper or something, a cap. I think I'm just gonna go with this look. Yeah.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short.
Guys, that is the Piha beach. How are you feeling?
Really, really good. This is my first time being here.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Guys, this is Piha beach. Yeah, and as you see, like, you see the sand is like so black. This is because of the, I think the volcano or something. I searched on Google. It says like some volcano eruption or something makes the sand like blackish here in Piha. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Like, this is my first time coming here, and this is so good. The tides are like insane. What a day, guys. I'm finally back from Piha. It started to rain a bit, like drizzling and all. But yeah, what a beautiful day it was. I had so much fun. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And please like and subscribe if you like the video. And thank you for always liking and subscribing my channel whenever you see my videos. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.